Hey, everyone! Are you familiar with a dessert called rare cheesecake? It's about the Japanese origin no-bake cheesecake. In typical recipes, you would use heavy cream and gelatin, but in this video, I'll show you an easy way to make it. For the crust, any cookies that taste delicious on their own are fine to use. Oops! The plastic wrap I was using to prevent the glass cups from getting dirty tore. It's not recommended to use plastic wrap when crushing cookies, because incidents like this can happen. It's okay to crush the cookies finely, but it's recommended to leave them slightly coarse, like this to add a crunchy texture. When melting butter, be careful not to let it burn. If you found the video entertaining, or if you try making it and find it delicious, I'd be thrilled if you could leave a comment in the video's comment section. Feel free to write any questions or requests about cooking, and I'll consider them for future reference. Your input is greatly appreciated. After thoroughly mixing the cookies and butter, transfer the mixture into a mold and chill in the fridge for about an hour. Soften the cream cheese by warming it in the microwave. Once the cream cheese has softened, add the marshmallows. I'm using Haribo marshmallows, but any marshmallows will work fine. This time, I only want to use white marshmallows, so I'll enjoy the pink ones later. Give it a gentle stir, then microwave at 600 watts for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Mix thoroughly until the marshmallows are completely melted. The gelatin in marshmallows melts at around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. If the temperature drops while mixing, microwave again for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once fully melted, add the lemon zest. When adding the lemon zest, use only the yellow part. Since the white part can be bitter, make sure not to include it. If you use a squeezer, you can strain out only the seeds at the end, so there's no need to remove them beforehand. Add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. After mixing, taste it, and add more lemon juice according to your preference. I prefer to add a little more. Yeah, it's better to have this much acidity. Pouring the batter from a high position helps prevent large air bubbles and results in a cleaner finish. After pouring the batter, rotate the mold from side to side to release any small air bubbles. Wrapping the mold with a towel, warmed in hot water, helps to release the cheesecake cleanly from the mold. Oops! When removing it from the mold, be careful not to bump your fingers like this. I'll take responsibility and eat the parts with finger marks. Warming the knife before cutting the cake will result in a cleaner cut. Wipe off the hot water before cutting. After cutting, wipe the knife clean. Itadakimasu. The contrast between the soft cheese mousse and the flaky crust feels great. The refreshing acidity and aroma of lemon spread throughout the mouth. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.